The song is Sye Sue, Sue, the Black Holy Ghost, the dream I long for, the dream of the vision in our Psalm 4. In the Black Ghost, I psalm in, the Black Holy Ghost, I long in, the measurement of my vision psalm in, the dream what I see, what I psalm in, the seer of the sea, what I dream la, the Black Holy Ghost, when I'm King la, I'm summoning the ghost, what I see for, the seer of the sea, the sky for, the seer of the land, when I vision in. Sye Sue, Sye Sue, the Black Holy Ghost, I long for, the ghosts in the dream of the dream, Psalm 4, the Black Holy Ghost. The Holy Ghost give me vision, hear the boast, and words that I sung for. In the Holy Ghost I can song for, in the vision seen, the seer of the dream, the seer see, the dream of the vision. I let the psalm in, think about the different things I like to in, when I sit like a kingpin.